Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Honda S2000 marks the triumphant return of a beloved sports car, blending heritage with modern innovation. Honda Motor Company, Limited, the Japanese multinational conglomerate, is renowned for its commitment to engineering excellence and innovation. Founded in 1948 by Soichiro Honda, the company has grown to become a global leader in the automotive and motorcycle industries. The new S2000 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 315 horsepower. This engine, derived from the Civic Type R, ensures that the S2000 remains a thrilling ride for enthusiasts. The car's acceleration is equally impressive, with a 0 to 100 km height, 0 to 62 miles per hour, time of just 4.5 seconds. This rapid acceleration places the S2000 in direct competition with other high-performance roadsters like the BMW Z4 and the Porsche 718 Boxster. In terms of competitors, the BMW Z4 and the Porsche 718 Boxster are notable rivals. The Z4, with its 3.0-liter inline-six engine, produces 382 horsepower, slightly more than the S2000. However, the S2000's lightweight design and agile handling make it a formidable contender in the sports car segment. Honda has not yet released specific sales projections for the 2025 S2000, but the original model sold over 110,000 units during its production run from 1999 to 2009. Given the strong demand for high-performance sports cars, the new S2000 is expected to perform well in the market. The 2025 S2000 will be available in a variety of colors, including Grand Prix White, Berlina Black, Laguna Blue Pearl, New Formula Red, Rio Yellow Pearl, and Aztec Green Pearl. These vibrant options allow buyers to personalize their vehicles to match their style. Pricing for the 2025 Honda S2000 is anticipated to range from $50,000 to $60,000. This competitive pricing, combined with the car's performance and heritage, makes the S2000 an attractive option for sports car enthusiasts. In summary, the 2025 Honda S2000 combines Honda's legacy of innovation with modern performance, offering a thrilling driving experience that is sure to captivate enthusiasts worldwide.